So let's try.
Whoa.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Run! That was so...
Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Laguna Moon gel nail polish set. They graciously sent me a 6-pack of colors, and on the inside of the package there's a list of tips to help you along. And here we have a magnetic cat eye gel polish. Very cool. I think I'll go in with a blue and maybe a silver sparkle accent nail. Also included in the package is a pink glitter and 2 thermal polishes. So first off, I'm going in with a peel-off base. I don't keep my nail polish on for very long, and I definitely don't wear gel polish that often since I change my polish so frequently. So right now I'm just going to be using the peel-off base to help me with easy removal. I've tried a number of different peel-off bases. I've even gone the Elmer's glue route, which works surprisingly well. I saw this one on the Born Pretty store, and it was reasonably priced. It was $3.99 US, and I figured, why not try this one out? However, the first thing I noticed when it arrived is how tiny the bottle is, and I mean tiny. The average nail polish bottle holds about 14 milliliters. This one here is 6 milliliters, so we're talking less than half the size of regular nail polish. On top of that, one coat does not do it. With one coat, you'll be peeling off your polish in strips, scraping your nail underneath. It is not good. I find if you use 2 coats, then you get that single peel that you would expect. However, given the small size of the bottle and doing 2 coats, that's a lot of waste happening. Otherwise, you could remove your gel polish using the more typical methods like soaking your nails in acetone or using the cotton pad and foil trick. And with that, you'd just file down the top layer of your gel polish, put the cotton on, wrap it in foil, and leave that for about 10 or 15 minutes. If you want a video on that, please leave a comment below just letting me know. I love to hear suggestions, and also if there's any reviews you'd like me to do or any tutorials you want, please let me know. I'm so excited to start filming more videos for you guys. Now just going in on this last finger, and then we can get started with the gel polish. So as you know, this is my first YouTube video. I've been on Instagram for a couple of years now, just posting pictures, but you know what? I figured since I'm doing my nails so often, I may as well videotape myself doing them as well. Okay, so the first color I'm going in with is product CL037, and that is this beautiful royal blue color. As you put on more layers, it does get darker, but my first impressions are that it goes on beautifully. So this gel formula is a little bit thicker than what I'm used to, and I find that it makes it a lot easier to apply. It goes on and it stays in place, but it also self-levels very nicely. You can get an even coat in one try, and it would be really pretty just leaving it in this lighter, more translucent blue. And if you want it darker, you go in with a second coat, even a third, but trust me, the second coat is more than enough. Also, if you notice, I just got it on my skin a little bit, but luckily this polish wipes off so easily. It did not stain my nail or stain my cuticle, which I am so appreciative of. You know, it's hard to do the perfect first coat of gel polish, so knowing that you can easily take off any mistakes, that's a win for me. And in the set, you get 2 thermal colors. One of them is a magenta pink that fades to a baby pink, almost nude, and the other one is a blue that fades to a very light gray, almost white. Very pretty, and I am obsessed with thermal polishes recently. I just think they look great on nails, especially on long nails where with the nail that's attached to your skin, you get that warmer version of the color. And then as the nail grows out, you get that cooler version, and it's that natural ombre. So stunning. Alright, and the package says to cure for 30 to 60 seconds on a 12-watt lamp. I'm going to try out 30 seconds just because I know that dark colors tend to take longer to cure. I want to see how this polish is going to react with 30 seconds. And now just finishing off my thumb, and we'll go right into the lamp. And let's bake! Okay everyone, I'm doing a Painted Glam giveaway. I'm handing out some nail vinyls, some nail powders, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube and leave a comment below letting me know you've done that. And I'll announce the winner in my next YouTube video. Okay, after 30 seconds, this polish seemed pretty well dry, and I'm very impressed. That was quick. So I'm going in on my accent nail with the silver sparkles. That bad boy is called Stardust, and it's product code ST028. And I put the blue on all of my fingers, including the one I anticipated to be my accent nail, and that's because I wasn't sure if this glitter would be more sparse or if it would be packed with glitter. So in case it was sparse, I would have that blue to show through. As it turns out, I'm so pleasantly surprised that this glitter is thick. One coat and you get a full coverage of glitter. It is stunning. I put a second coat on just to see if it would change anything, but it doesn't, it is just as beautiful with one coat, and I'm quite impressed about that. As you can see with the second coat, the polish definitely gets darker and it just goes into the stunning navy blue. I'm just going to fast forward through this part. I'm doing the second coat, which really is the same as that first coat. So I'm just about to finish up and we'll see what it looks like. All right, and here's the finished product. So beautiful, the blues, and in that silver glitter nail, there's little blue and purple sparkles. Overall, I really loved this product and I look forward to trying out the other ones as well. Please take a look at Laguna Moon and take a look at my Instagram, Painted Glam. Thanks for joining. Bye.